Hello friends, welcome back to Super Mom's World. Today I am super excited to share one of my best finds from Firstcry. Firstcry is always my first choice for Krishika and I am definitely sure that she's going to love this product. So let me show you what's that. So this is a Babyhug 8-in-1 Easel Board. As you can see, this amazing Easel Board comes from the Babyhug collection. It's perfect for nurturing creativity in our little ones. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. These are the stands we have got inside this. These are the magnetic ABCDs and 1, 2, 3. This white one is magnetic and whiteboard as well. And this one is chalkboard. And the best part is, if you want to hang this somewhere, so they have given the thread as well, so you can hang this. It comes with height adjustment as well, so you can adjust the height according to your kid's height. These are the magnetic taskbar. So guys, you can play a game like this. You can write on the board like how you feeling today. So they have provided different emojis. Krishika is feeling, what is that?
Excellent.
Krishika is feeling excellent today. And you can see this is the storage tray as well they have given inside this. These are the paper clips. You can see this is the color chalk, duster, and this is a marker we have got inside this packet. So lots of things are there inside this. So what you have to do, you have to fill water or sand. If you have sand, you can fill that. So now let's assemble all these things. So this is a left leg or right legs. What you have to do, you have to put the sand or water inside this. So I am going to put sand inside this. You just need to fill the sand inside this. I love how versatile this easel board is. Your child can draw, write, paint, and even use magnetic letters and numbers to learn and play. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and the colorful unicorn design adds a magical touch that kids absolutely adore. So what do you think about this amazing Babyhug Unicorn 8-in-1 Easel Board? Let me know in the comment. I have added product link in the description, so you can go and you can check there. And the best part is you can use my special code and you'll get the 42% off on the Firstcry, on the entire Firstcry site. So don't miss this deal. Go and just grab this deal. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get more videos.